We're gonna hit the Bundesliga mixer. This is number 2, but it's really like probably our 10th Bundesliga mixer. Good luck, guys. Dortmund includes everybody in this one. We didn't break it off.
It's number 2 with the new product, so it's Chrome and Tier 1 this time.
We're going 9 times.
9 times. Here we go, crew. Good luck, soccer crew. You got Bayer down to Wolfsburg, and 9 times. And boom, 9 times. Frankfurt down to, oh, there you go, Dortmund. Not going to be hard to tell who got Dortmund here because they're in that last spot. We're going 9 times. Focus on this one. Mark I, Peter, Matt Downs, Mark I, Tim Clarkin, Peterson, Doobie, Hernandez, and Bloom. Good luck. Good luck, crew. Fill some of that NBA stuff. Let's rip it. Start working on some of those nice teams that are left in Topps Chrome. HTA as well. Baseball crew, where you at? And here you go. Looking for that last spot if you want that Dortmund. Here it is, 9 times. Boom. Tim Clarkin down to Adam Bloom. There it is, 9 times. Bloom's getting Dortmund in that last spot.
Josh, we're working on trying to get more Donruss. It's insane. That resale on that stuff is nuts.
Josh, we'll have some on the site tomorrow night.
It's nuts. The resale on that stuff is nuts right now.
We have some going up tomorrow night, though, for Wednesday breaks if you fill it. All right, here you go. You got Frankfurt, Tim Clarkin, Bloom, Dortmund. There's Tim, and there's Bloom, just to show that it worked. There are your teams, crew. Good luck in
guys.
this one.
Do some Tier 1 first. This one's not as thick as the last one. First hit is Michael Gregorich.
Yeah, get your card cam and get this out.
101 out of 125. So these autos, most of these guys were going to be like, who? And that's going to Augsburg. Tim Clark. The Relic. Oh, nice. American. 19 out of 25. Going to FC Shock. Matthew Hoppy. That's going to Peter. Nice, Pete. Nice little piece there. And the other one is Nicholas Stark. Got a 125. Going to Hertha Berlin. Hertha is Matt Downs. Like the Hoppy. I traded for a Hoppy yesterday at the show. Hoppy Auto. Out of Finest. Alright, guys. Good luck on the Chrome Bundesliga. Do you need me to order you food?
I don't know. I'll know shortly.
Is Bailey still here?
No. He's in Philly. I had some leftover burgers from tailgating a little earlier, so I may or may not eat something else. Alright, good luck here in Chrome, crew.
Did you take the Raiders +3?
No, I didn't touch the game tonight. I did not, Rick. You got them?
Oof, orange coming. That could be huge.
Crew, while he's open those 6 left in Prism NBA Retail, we gotta rip that tonight. Let's do that Elite. Let's just get it off the site. Last time it's on there. 13 left. Let's do it.
What's Contenders at?
Contenders, I went through all the teams while you were on the phone. 13 left. I said all the teams that were still available, too.
I thought my dad was calling me for an emergency. Which
the Yankees game.
Yeah, you heard me?
Yeah. 3 left in that PYT mixer. 3 left. Let's get that WNBA, the NBA crew following up the WNBA crew. Let's do it.
He goes, all right, thanks, go back to work. I'm like, what? That's why you called me? Well, they were out, and him and my mom went out for, like, dinner and drinks, so that's... Yeah, he is.
It's true. He already made history, but he's going to make it again. Come on, crew. Let's get those
Damn, the auto is not going to be the orange one. I just saw it.
Let's get those NBA breaks.
Auto's going to come right away, so the orange will be the big one. The auto is going to, boom, Freiburg, Lucas Holler.
Doobie.
There you go, Doobie. Danny Almo, we like him. Philip Kostic for Frankfurt. Let's give you like decent names. Maximilian Arnold, that is out of 250 for Wolfsburg. And John Philippe Mateta for Mainz. Got a Dortmund card coming. Got a little Holland base. What's up with that? Palacios out of 99 for Leverkusen. Oh boy, be the right one. Nope. Pavlenka, so the yellow. Werder Bremen, silver. There is an orange in here somewhere. Is that a gold? No. Alright, we'll do the orange at the end. Look like this. Alright. Josh Sargent, Future Stars. Patrick Schick.
Go to your left.
Hartel. There he is. Mokoko. Ingvartsen purple. Auto 299. Holland refractor. There we go. We'll take that. Alright. Good luck on this orange. No clue besides it's upside down. That's all I know. Got a pink too. Pink of Marcus Thuram. That's going to Borussia Munch out of 75. Peter. Max Cruz for Union Berlin. On the Hyper. Another Union Berlin. Marvin Friedrich. Good luck here. Team is that the team we had, is this going to Doobie? Is that the auto? Same as the auto?
Yeah, pretty sure. Yeah.
Doobie, good luck. I have no clue who's good on this team. Good luck. Boom. Nils Peterson. I've actually heard that name. 13 of 25. This guy's actually decent. 13 of 25. Going to Mike Doobie. Congrats, buddy.
There you go, Doobie.
And it has a very tiny nick. Not a bad one like some of them.
We got your recap. Just a sec. There you go, crew. Bundesliga random teams number 2, tier 1 and chrome variety.
Holland silver, Mokoko base, Inverson purple, Cruz hyper, Arnold wave, Palacios green, and Thuram pink, Nils Peterson on the orange out of 25. Holler on the auto, Gregorich on the auto, Stark on the auto, and Hoppy on, it's 2 patches. This one's just a 1 color, and that is a 2 color. Congrats.
Appreciate the fill on that one, crew.
My guy says, my